What's up, boys? LP here. Just put the 2-inch leveling kit in. As you can see, it's a Readylift with upper control arms. It sits fairly level. The front is an inch lower than the back. Like, if you wanted to be perfect, probably get a 3-inch. 2.5 might be a little closer too, but I went with the 2. The upper control arms, like I said. And then spacer in on top of the strut there. You don't need to compress the spring or nothing like that, so it's kind of nice. Wasn't too bad. But yeah, I'm happy with how it sits. Like I said, it's not perfect, but you put anything in the box, she'll level right out. Definitely looks a lot better in stock. It's a 2018 Ram 1500 Sport. So that's her right there. As for alignment, I just did it today, so I haven't got alignment done yet. But I'm gonna get that done this week. Doesn't ride bad at all. To be honest though, there's no wheel shake or pulling to the right or left or nothing like that. Sorry about the wind, by the way, but I can't control the weather, boys. As long as you mark the lower control arms underneath, as you can see, mark them when you loosen them, and then just tighten them back up to where they're at, and should be in pretty good shape, boys. But yeah, that's her. I like how it sits. I got 20x12s coming, so see if there's much rubbish there. I might have to trim a little plastic. I don't think it'll be too bad. Got big wheel wells on these Rams. But yeah, stay tuned. Make sure to like and subscribe, and have a good day. Thanks.